Hello everyone. So have you ever wondered if you could install your own custom battery with a high capacity to your old smartphone? So you might want to do this if you don't want to buy a new phone and you still want to use your old smartphone because you really love your smartphone, but it have a very low capacity of the battery. So this is the same thing that happened to me, and right now I'm using Google Pixel 1, and I really love using this smartphone, but it have really low battery capacity. So it comes with 2770 mAh, so that is really low. Basically I'm using it 3 hours straight for watching YouTube videos, and then it died on me. So basically that is not good. So right now you can make one like what I did here, and yeah, enjoy watching the video. I bought this 6000 milliampere polymer battery. So basically the specifications for this battery is that it can be used to charge for about 500 cycles. So yeah, I know it's pretty low in terms of the cycle of this battery, but I guess I'm going to try it anyway. So just, you know, basically I can just buy a new phone with a larger battery pack like Xiaomi, which have a 5000 milliampere battery, but I guess I'm just going to do this for fun. So if in any case if this phone died, maybe I can just purchase a new phone anyway. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I will try to open up the display using the rework station. Here you can see that is a hot air gun. So I'm going to open up the display first, and yeah, after that we'll continue with removing the battery and replacing the battery with this one. So let's proceed. Okay, so now I managed to open up the LCD display without damaging it. That is a relief, because mostly when you are trying to disassemble the LCD from Google Pixel, most of the time it will crack, but this time I made it. And so I'm going to open up this and see the inside of the phone and see how the battery connected. So you can see here I already opened up the middle part, and you can see here is the battery, and now I'm going to heat up at the back of this phone to remove the battery, and we're going to take the circuit board from this battery, and then we're going to install it right here on this new battery. So here is the battery after removing the wrapper, and you can see here this is the circuit board that I told you about earlier. So well, we're going to desolder this thing from this original battery, and we're going to solder this onto the positive and negative terminal of this new battery. So yeah. Okay, so after removing the circuit board from the battery, the original battery, now I managed to secure and make a wire connection directly from the original circuit board, and then you just need to glue it on its place here, and then you need to drill a hole at the bottom, because you don't want to drill somewhere around here, because we're making a case for this smartphone after we stick the battery at the back, and so we're going to make a connection directly from this spot here. I just drill a hole right there so I can fit a wire there, and just attach the battery like this and solder it on its place. After attaching it, and then we can design our casing, our own casing, using the 3D design software, and then we are going to 3D print our own casing. So it's going to be thick, but I don't care. I think it's going to look cool, even though it's going to be thick. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so here it is after we assemble everything and put it back together. Now you can see that this phone is fully operational by using this 6000 milliamp battery pack here. So let's see if it turns on. There you go. So basically, before we charge, I'm going to drain the battery first. We need to drain the battery so that when we charge, the device will be able to calibrate the capacity of the battery and later save it in the phone settings. Okay, so after draining tests have finished, we will charge it to max, which is 100%, and that will be our full capacity of a 6000 milliampere battery. So basically, after doing that, I will go and start to design the phone case for this one, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so here you can see that I already designed the Google Pixel extended battery case here. So let's proceed with the printing process. Okay, so after printing process has been finished, so you can see here, this is the final product of the Google Pixel extended battery case. It looks quite the same based on the dimension. And so let's try to put the phone in. So basically, here's the phone, which has been already installed with the 6000 milliamp per hour battery. There you go. And so you can see the connection there. And let's put it inside the casing. So put it slowly, slide it slowly, and just snap it in, just like that. There you have it. So it looks quite thick, but I'm pretty happy with the result, because I don't care about thickness, but I care about the long-term use of my smartphone. So basically, it will last really long, and I'm not finished charging it yet, but here you can see battery condition is good, everything is good. And yeah, that's it. So if you enjoy watching my video, please give a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.